Have you ever asked yourself, does this person really love me or am I just attached? Many people spend years in relationships without knowing the answer. They mistake attention for love, chemistry for commitment, and attraction for genuine care. Today, let us understand the real difference between love and lust through psychology. By the end of this video, you will know how to recognize healthy love and avoid emotional confusion. Let us begin. Meet Maya. She met a man who constantly complimented her. He texted her every morning. He wanted to meet every day. She felt special. Within a few weeks, she believed she had found true love, but slowly the compliments reduced, the effort disappeared. He only called when it was convenient for him. Whenever Maya needed emotional support, he was unavailable. She kept asking herself, what changed? The answer was simple. She confused attention with love. What is lust? Lust is based on attraction. It is fast, exciting, intense. Your brain releases chemicals like dopamine that make everything feel thrilling. That is why, in the beginning, someone may seem perfect. You think about them all day, you wait for their messages, you ignore their flaws. Psychologists call this the honeymoon phase. Lust focuses on how a person makes you feel. It often asks, what can I get from this relationship? Attraction is natural, but attraction alone cannot build a lasting relationship. What is love? Love grows slowly. It is built on trust, respect, honesty, and consistency. Real love is not only present during happy moments, it stays during difficult times too. Imagine you lose your job or become sick. Someone driven only by attraction may slowly disappear. Someone who truly loves you will ask, how can I help? Love is not just about beautiful words, it is about reliable actions. Psychology shows that lasting relationships are built on emotional safety, not constant excitement. When you are with the right person, you do not have to pretend to be someone else. You feel accepted. Five signs it is lust. Sign one, everything moves too fast. They talk about forever within days. Real trust takes time. Sign two, conversations are mostly about appearance or physical attraction. They know your looks but not your dreams. Sign three, they disappear when life becomes difficult. They enjoy the good moments but avoid responsibilities. Sign four, they do not respect your boundaries. If someone truly cares about you, they respect your comfort and your decisions. Sign five, you constantly feel anxious. You keep wondering, do they still like me? Healthy relationships bring peace, not constant confusion. Five signs, it's real love. Now let's look at healthy love. Sign one, they respect you. Even during disagreements. Sign two, they communicate honestly. Instead of playing games, they have real conversations. Sign three, they support your growth. They celebrate your success, not compete with it. Sign four, they are consistent. Their actions match their words. You don't have to guess where you stand. Sign five, you feel emotionally safe. You can be yourself. You don't fear being judged. You don't have to earn their love every day. That's emotional security. Psychology behind healthy love isn't about finding a perfect person, it's about building a secure connection. Psychologists have found that relationships last longer when partners feel respected, heard, and emotionally safe. Butterflies in your stomach may fade, but trust, kindness, and respect grow stronger over time. That's the difference between excitement and commitment. Practical tips. Before entering any relationship, ask yourself, does this person respect my boundaries? Do I feel peaceful or constantly anxious? Do their actions match their words? Can I truly be myself around them? If the answer is yes, you're building something meaningful. Remember, lust is about attraction, love is about commitment. Lust asks, what do I feel today? Love asks, how can I care for you tomorrow? Choose the person who gives you peace, not just excitement. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Boss Lady Mindset. I'll see you in the next video.